Ever feel like your to-do list has a mind of its own? It grows longer by the day, tasks morph and mutate, and due dates loom like hungry dragons. If that sounds familiar, then you, my friend, are in desperate need of a project management tool. There are tons of options out there, but today, we're diving deep into ClickUp, a powerful and versatile platform that can transform your workflow from chaotic mess to organized masterpiece. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple projects, a student drowning in assignments, or just someone who wants to finally get a grip on their day-to-day, ClickUp can be your hero. So, ditch the sticky notes and endless spreadsheets, because it's time to take control. Understanding the ClickUp hierarchy, workspaces, spaces, lists, and tasks. ClickUp might seem intimidating at first glance, but fear not. It all boils down to a simple hierarchy. Imagine your work life as a kingdom. At the very top, you have your workspace, which is basically your entire domain. Maybe it's your company, your freelance hustle, or just your personal life. Within your workspace, you have spaces which act like provinces within your kingdom. Perhaps you have a space for each project you're working on, a space for personal goals, or even a space for household chores, if you're feeling ambitious. Now, each space is further divided into lists which are like your individual to-do lists. This is where you'll break down your projects into actionable steps. Think of a list for writing a blog post, planning a vacation, or tackling that mountain of laundry. Hey, no judgment here. Finally, within each list, you have your tasks, the tiny soldiers of your productivity army. These are the specific actions you need to take, like research blog post topic, book flights, or fold clean clothes. Because adulting, am I right? Creating your first ClickUp masterpiece, from workspace to task. All right, with the hierarchy conquered, let's get your hands dirty, metaphorically, of course. Head over to ClickUp's website and sign up for a free account. It's time to build your first workspace. ClickUp will ask you a few questions to personalize your experience, but don't worry about overthinking it. You can always adjust things later. Now, name your workspace something that reflects its purpose. Maybe it's your company name, a project title, or just a simple personal productivity. Once your workspace is set up, it's time to create a space. Think about a specific project or area of your life you want to tackle. Let's say you're planning a killer summer trip. Create a space called Summer Vacation 2024. Catchy, right? Now comes the fun part, building your lists. Within your summer vacation space, create lists for different aspects of the trip, like accommodation, activities, travel, and budgeting. Finally, within each list, unleash your inner taskmaster and start adding those all-important tasks. Under accommodation, you might list research hotels, compare prices, and book room. Feeling good already, aren't you? ClickUp's Power UPS. Assigning tasks, setting due dates, and prioritization. But ClickUp isn't just about creating fancy lists. It's about streamlining your workflow and boosting your productivity. Here's where ClickUp's power-ups come in. Imagine you're traveling with friends. You can assign tasks in ClickUp. Simply click on a task and choose who's responsible for it. This way, everyone can see their own to-dos and collaborate seamlessly. Deadlines creeping up on you? No worries. ClickUp lets you set due dates for each task. Seeing that red due date looming can be a great motivator, or a gentle reminder to delegate if needed. Speaking of motivation, ClickUp allows you to prioritize your tasks. Mark important items as high priority, so they stand out from the crowd. This helps you focus on what needs to be done first, keeping your workflow on track. ClickUp's customization magic. Statuses, comments, and views. ClickUp isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. The beauty lies in its customization options. By default, ClickUp uses a simple to-do and done status system for tasks. But you can create custom statuses to perfectly reflect your workflow. Maybe you have stages like researching, in progress, and awaiting approval. The possibilities are endless. ClickUp isn't just about creating to-do lists. It's about creating a system that works for you. With its flexible structure, powerful features, and collaborative capabilities, ClickUp can be your one-stop shop for conquering chaos and achieving peak productivity. So, ditch the sticky notes and embrace the digital revolution. ClickUp is waiting to transform your organizational game. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy clicking.